On this occasion, Simp Decor will make brooches from patchwork. Hopefully, you like it. Materials needed: patchwork, 5 pieces, 7 by 7 centimeters in size. Pattern with a diameter of 5 centimeters. Scissor. Needle and thread. Round cloth. Pin. Beads. Glue gun. Using scissors and a cloth that has been prepared, use a prepared pattern so that the results are neat. Make as many as 5 pieces. Then fold the cloth that has been cut round like this, then sew. When finished, unite and then sew. Attach the round cloth to the bottom and glue. Also attach beads. And the final step is to install the pin. Finally, it's finished. Thank you for watching.